Matt the Crypto Space is back with another Russell update for you guys. Russell holding above 6 million market cap. Let me know in the comment section, is this not a strong chart? Is this not a strong chart, man? Most other coins are going down against the market. They go down, they bounce. They go down, they bounce. Look at, meme coins of previous cycles, like for example dogecoin Mars, right? Or even sheep. Let's take a look at the sheep chart. It goes down, it bounces. It goes down, it bounces. Like, the charts look terrible on these other previous projects, man. You take a look at the sheep chart from the start of 2024. It's just been going down, man. Down bounce, down bounce. It's just been going down. I would not invest in sheep at all. Look at the weakness in that chart. And then you take a look at Russell. Take a look at Russell here. What is the chart doing? It's forming higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. It's going up against the market. It's outperforming Bitcoin. You can see it right here on the all chart on CoinMarketCap. These are the type of projects you want to invest in, man. Meme coin or not, it's looking better than so many altcoins right now. The sheep chart, a lot of altcoins look exactly like the sheep chart. The Russell chart, however, looks extremely strong here, right? And this is why I say 100,000 Russell could potentially be that trade that helps your portfolio, jump starts your portfolio, man. If you got the wherewithal to hold until billions with that 100,000 you bought, man, hey, I'm telling you, it's gonna go far. That's how I see it, man. Right now, 100,000 Russell is $617. It's not gonna put you in debt or anything if you lose that. It's not anything crazy, at least I don't think so, right? $617. I don't think that's gonna make you, like, if you lose that, it's gonna ruin you or something. I don't think that's the case, right? But obviously take profits on the way up, because obviously there's gonna be people that are bigger holders than you, right? So they're probably gonna sell at like quicker targets, like at 100 mil market cap they might take profits, 300 mil they might take profits, right? So make sure you take some profits, even though you're not investing in a lot. At least you're making some money, man. You know how difficult it is to make money in crypto in 2025, how difficult it was in 2025. And this year, I hope this year is a lot different, but hope is not a strategy, right? I'm an optimist that this year will be different, but it's very difficult for majority of people to make money in crypto. So when you do see profits, please take your profits, guys. Honestly, right? I'm not like a massive investor in this myself, right? I just recently entered 3.6 mil market cap, right? And I'm diversified into other projects as well. But I see the potential here, right? And I'm just being realistic on what I've seen in the past, historically speaking, right? And I'm speaking from what I saw on base chain as well, right? Where if Brian Armstrong's pet cat went to 1 billion market cap, I could say it every video. If Toshi, the pet cat, went to 1 billion, why can't the pet dog do it, right? Dog, I made a video and listed out 10 dog coins that went to billions in market cap. 10 of them, right? So I don't think it's impossible for Russell to make a move like that, right? So, like I said, you can see from the chart, Russell is making higher lows here. 6.16 million market cap. Let's take a look at the X. Very bullish on Russell, man. Followers keeping going up. 6,369 followers. No new updates on X just as yet. It'd be awesome, but again, it's a CTO team, right? The Toshi team has like, way more, I would say, how should I say? It's been way more developed because it had much more time, and the coin itself had much more success, right? So you can't really put Russell in that bracket yet, but I'm sure as time progresses, maybe they get an artist for Russell, right? Maybe they get an artist for Russell. Maybe they, start some type of utility. You never know, man. You never know, right? So you just have to be patient with these plays. Right now, a lot of people watch this as an extremely risky trade. But that's why I'm telling you, don't invest more than you're willing to lose, right? Don't be emotional. If you invest, 10 to 20 to 30K on Russell, and then something goes wrong, you lose that, It's your fault for that. Not my fault. I'm telling y'all, buy like $617, bro. And that might be a lot for a lot of people as well too, but I don't think it's a lot for the average crypto investor, right? So if something goes wrong there, it's not like an emotional investment where like you're checking the price 24/7 and like, oh no, it's going down, you know. No, remove that. You have to be strategic. You have to be level-headed. You have to be on point with this space, man. And you know, the quicker you could remove emotion and the psychology that, you know, pretty much wrecks 99% of investors, the better you could be at, you know, making gains and being profitable, right? So, you know, like I said, never invest more than you're willing to lose here, man. But I think the upside is massive, man. Even if we just see maybe 500 mil market cap, you have 100,000 tokens, that's 50K. Now, obviously, you could start taking profits at 70 mil, 100 mil, 300 mil. You could do that too. It's really up to you on what you want to do, right? I can't spoon feed people in the video. I can't spoon feed you guys, but I can point you into the direction of a coin that can actually go up in the market. That's what I could do. I could point you in the direction of a coin that actually goes up, right? Which is very difficult to find in these market conditions that we're in, right? So I think Russell would do extremely well from here. I think it's in a great spot. I love what I see in the chart. You know, every move up it's making, it's getting higher and higher, right? And that's bullish, right? Look for the break of the previous all-time high. When you see the break of the previous all-time high, it's really going to be off to the races for Russell, and it's really going to, you know, completely take off, in my opinion, from here, right? Obviously, it's going to get resistance at the previous all-time high. That's going to be a place where a lot of people take profits. They typically take profits at previous all-time highs, right? When they're up to the previous all-time high, you see a lot of profit taking. But after that correction that takes place there, we able to go on and make a new high. That's when you're going to see Valhalla, y'all. That's when you're going to see that parabolic run. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Truly appreciate the support on the videos. I truly do. And I'll catch you in the next one.